There you go. We're gonna try the linebacker attempt first.
Owie.
Damn, strong fucker. Damn.
That is a pretty fucking strong ball.
Do I gotta like double falcon kick this shit? If
Take
it
it.
wasn't stairs, I would.
Jesus.
I don't want to dislocate my shoulder, holy shit.
I think it's laughing at you.
Probably. Break my foot, dude.
Yeah, you make it look a little easier. Holy shit, I didn't sketch you going up the stairs.
Yeah.
He's going slowly.
No, you gotta keep going.
Holy shit, the other one I did was not this hard.
Damn.
You got the bottom.
I think I just need to full sprint at it.
Bounce back. Fucking bottom it is.
Damn. Somebody just sitting in there with a shotgun. Damn, that fucking deadbolt. You gonna scurry under there?